was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud.
Hey guys, so we just gave you a little sneak peek of something that happened. I can't even talk without crying. In my almost 53 years of renting, we bought a house. Yay! Our offer was accepted yesterday. And oh my God, guys, I know we still have to get through attorney review and all of those inspections and things, whatever. But the house is going to be ours. They took our offer. It's just one more step closer. So I had asked the builder if we could swing by and just measure that back patio. So many plans for this house, guys. I don't know. We think we may be putting in a swimming pool. We're not sure. There's just so much going on. I'm so excited. So just keep us in your prayers, right? The offer was accepted. Paperwork has signed. We go into attorney review on Tuesday because Monday is Memorial Day. And then the process starts, and if all goes well, the way we are all anticipating, because this is a brand new home, and the builder, there's no family living there, and the builder wants it done. We should be in closing in 30 days. So excited. So in the meantime, Brittany and I are heading to a store called At Home. We just want to look around. We're going to need brand new living room and some dining room chairs because I have a dining room table that I'm bringing. And she wants a day bed in her room rather than her big bed, so she can make it into like a cool hangout spot for her and her friends. So we just have a lot of stuff. We're going to be looking. As soon as I could get in that house and know it's like officially signed, sealed, and delivered, you know that we're going to bring you in there and share with you everything. But in the meantime, today we are, right now we're at Dunkin'. Brittany's getting some coffee. We're heading over to the store. We're going to bring you inside. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. So blessed and grateful. We've worked so hard for this. We've rented because we lived where Brittany's school was that she had to go to. And now she finished that. She graduated college. And now it is time for Jess and I. And we are starting a new chapter. And it is the most exciting thing other than becoming a mother and a wife. Owning my own home, or our home. I can't stop crying. I'm so happy and excited and grateful. That's all I want to say. I'll see you at the store. We got stuck in that rainstorm, guys, and I'm soaked. But I'm eating a protein bar, and we're walking around this giant store. Gonna show you some stuff. We're looking for nothing in particular, but sort of. Let's go look.
The
realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you.
Hey guys, all right, so we are home. I just had Lean and Green and totally forgot to film it. I had pretty much exactly what I had yesterday. The healthy noodles, ground beef. I added a tablespoon of feta as a condiment, fat-free feta, and a little squirt of sugar-free ketchup, and mixed it in a bowl and ate it. I still have 2 fillings left for the day, but I did pick up one thing at the store. Here's what it is. Welcome to our porch. I thought this was so cute because outside we are going to be planting flowers. The little clip that you saw when I was measuring, that's actually not the front door. We have a nice side door that goes out to the back to a nice patio. I don't want to show the front of the house yet, just until everything is solidified. But I wanted to measure the back porch area because I want to get a fire pit and some furniture and an umbrella and all kinds of fun stuff. So, but we're not buying anything yet until papers are signed. So the only thing I did get was a little flag. I have a little shepherd's hook. I'm going to put it out there. So we had just such a fun day. So tonight, hitting Raymour and Flanagan, that's where I want to go look at some furniture. That store at home is great. Just not like home furniture, like accent pieces and things like that. Perfection. But we need to get dining room chairs, and they didn't really have what I was looking for there. And I need a living room couch and a cocktail table or sofa table or whatever, you know, that sits in the middle. I can't think of what it's called. We're gonna hit the stores tonight. Let me know also in the comments, do some of these stores have like 4th of July sales? Because if we close at the end of June, I might be able to take advantage of some of those sales at that time. I know they're having Memorial Day sales, which I wish I could do, but I don't want to buy anything yet. I just want to make sure that we are key in hand homeowners. I mean, this thing was only 14 bucks, so it's not a big deal. I could always hang it here, God forbid. Because I have a lot of stuff I want to do. Start packing and just organizing and weeding through, getting rid of, donating. Gonna sell a couple things. So yeah, so anyway, I appreciate you guys coming along. The videos will get better, I promise. This was just a little menagerie and excitement and just my way of saying thank you for praying for us, because I know you all have been, and on behalf of me and my family, we're grateful. Thank you so much. And we look forward to this next chapter, and we're going to share it all with you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.